First and foremost, the biggest consideration is to be, don't be as subjective as possible. You need to be objective. You need to look at it from the point of view that look at the end result of the project. If you go in with certain biases right off the bat and you start to evaluate that way, unfortunately, it'll drive a negative process inside the actual evaluation of a project. So be as objective as possible, I believe, is probably, I would think, the biggest consideration. You'd have to take personalities aside from work, anybody who's work related, anything else, take a step back and actually look at the whole overall work of the project and then make that determination. I always found that, if anybody, if they like to say, emotionally involved in a project where they're, you're deeply invested, often make bad, negative or bad decisions simply because they put so much time and effort into it and they have that attachment. If you come in fact and you take a look at the project and you have, you're an objective part, someone that's from the outside, almost like a third party kind of point of view, it serves you much better. And on the other side of that question though is if you are on the team and you're being evaluated, the thing is, it's not that you need to have a thick skin in most cases, but criticism, constructive criticism always works out very well. I've been on both ends of it where, I've built up projects where on the outside looking in, people have, criticized certain things that wasn't as constructive as it should have been, and all it does is drive a negative process. But you should be accepting of that criticism, so it's kind of like a two-way street.